Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Huawei Nova 9 SE smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set up Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do it is to open up Settings app. Here, scroll down until you'll see Apps section. In the Apps section, go to the Default Apps and here choose Browser app. And when you are entering the Browser app section, just tap on Opera, and as you can see in front of it there is the blue circle, which means that from now on our default browser will be Opera. And the second way to do it is to open up the Opera itself. Here tap on your profile icon here, look for the gear icon, tap on it, scroll down, and as you can see there is the default browser section, by tapping on which the Opera will set itself as the default browser. So set as default, and now we have Opera as our default browser. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.